Hello, it's Dan the Houseman coming to you live with a brand new fluidmaster fill valve. Now I've already shut off the water to this toilet. That's the number one most important thing, so I'm going to say it again. I have shut off the water to the toilet. And now I'm going to change out this fill valve that you see right here with this new one in less than 30 seconds. Do you want to time me? Here we go. I pop that off. I pull that out. I reach inside there. I pull that out. I put that in there. I take the ring and I push it down. I lock it in place. I take the hose off of this. I put it in here. And guess what? We got a new fill valve. And in less than 30 seconds, man, I didn't climb underneath the toilet. I didn't remove the old shaft. This guy here. Okay? And I didn't even care that there was water still in the toilet because this shaft, well, it likes getting wet, so who cares? The old one is still in the toilet. I changed all of the working components in less than 30 seconds. It cost me about 20 bucks for the part, tax included. If you paid a plumber to do that same thing, you could count on it costing almost $200. So, the next time you need to rebuild a toilet, just look this video back up. Dan the Houseman of Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Homes McHenry.